Hi guys, today we'll be unboxing the BougeRv portable refrigerator. As you can see right now, we're just unboxing the box. We're just getting it opened up, and then there's my rabbit. As you can see, the package is very well kept. It's kept underneath a plastic wrapping as well as the foam, so it's really secure and placed inside the box. Now we're just taking the fridge out of the box. Now, as you can see, there's a screen on there with a handle, and then there's two compartments. One of them comes with a box. We'll see what it's for later on. One is a bigger compartment, one is a smaller one. It also comes with a cutting board that's portable. And then there's two baskets. There's also many cup holders, I would say. And then the doors are also interchangeable, so depending on whichever way you would like to open your fridge, you could fix that. Screen display, and now we see that the box comes with a manual and wiring to turn on the see that the fridge has turned on. The temperature is adjustable to whatever you would like. Here we can also see that it comes with two lights inside of the fridge, so this is also very useful. And now we can see the final form of the fridge, and that will be all for today's unboxing. Thank you so much for listening.